6 to the 5th minus 6 to the 4th all over 5 equals, okay, so the choices are 1/5, 6 over 5, 6 cubed, 6 to the 4th over 5, or 6 to the 4th power. Okay, so to simplify this, we will use the law of exponent and factoring. Okay, so first step is we can write 6 to the 5th as 6 to the 4th times 6 to the 1. So we can use the law of exponent a to the m times a to the n, that is equal to a to the m plus n. Okay? So we can write 6 to the 5th as 6 to the 4th power, 6 to the 4 plus 1. So we can write 5 as 4 plus 1. Okay? And then we have minus 6 to the 4th over 5. And now, 6 to the 4th plus 1, we can write that as 6 to the 4th times 6 to the first power. Okay? Or simply 6 minus 6 to the 4th over 5. Now, we can factor out the common. We have 6 to the 4th and then another 6 to the 4th here. So, factor out the common 6 to the 4th. So, we have 6 to the 4th power times 6 to the 1, that is equal to 6, minus, we factor out 6 to the 4th, so therefore, this will be equal to 1. When we multiply this, 6 to the 4th times 6, that is 6 to the 4th times 6, and then 6 to the 4th times 1, that is 6 to the 4th. Okay? All over 5. And then let's simplify. We have 6 to the 4th, and then 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5 over 5. So we can cancel the 5 in the numerator and 5 in the denominator. That will give us 1. So therefore, the final answer is 6 to the 4th, which is letter E. Follow for more.